Biology. Biology. From matter arising, complexity emerging, megamolecular concatenation, protein synthesis, replicated self-similarity, a bioholographic self-image, propagating through space-time, the bio-urge, an impulse toward free and undeterred action, becoming sensation, compelled by tropism, soaking up light and heat, energetic attraction of chemistry, replicating its way on the long, long journey toward biology. From gravity emerging, and the attraction of like for like, the cataclysmic explosions of energetic connectivity, forced together against the repulsive tide of insensate crystallographic repetitiveness and fractal chaos. Inchoate densities of molten molecular matter. Complex proteins form, and then, 4 billions of years, 4,000 million years ago, a momentary coalescence, a circumstance of coincidence, the threshold of life, in that vast, unknown space, singular organisms, the earliest cells, dividing, microcellular structure, increasing complexification, until that primordial pond bloomed red-green algal life, continual spreading texture of life, a living web of it from day one, until it covers the whole wet world in a Cambrian effervescence. Trilobites, mollusks, and finally fish, in a supersaturated, oxygenated ecological space. Those first vestigial finned creatures and their early ventures, stranded on land with the inexorable slowness of genetic shift, moving toward land and a new horizon, the Silurian adventure pioneering steps over the barren land, in quickening time frames, now becoming the overwhelming Devonian landscape, tetrapods, vertebrates, insects, arachnids, scurrying, walking, moving, making the world anew with each new birth, becoming reptiles crawling over leafy coniferous needles, plants and animals respiring together over the Pangean landform. The Permian monsters roamed and tyrannized the entire Triassic bestiary into convulsive fight and flight. Over the great plains of the Middle Mesozoic roamed the Jurassic crocodiles, while Ichthyosaurus slid silently through wondrous water worlds, and wild pterosaurs winged their way through oxygen-rich atmosphere. Then, some 150 million years before this moment, Cretaceous dinosaurs and flowering plants arrived on the teeming planet. Whales, horses, early primates, the complexifications multiply, elephants and grasses on which to graze, moving the timeline toward 50 millions of years before today. Then, 5 million years ago, the first hominids, and 3 million years later, Homo sapiens. And perhaps 10,000 years ago, civilized, cultural, human, civilization, networked intelligence, to see and know now how we have become what we are. This web of living tissue, of which we are a part, is the life of the planet, our hearts and minds at once, within a vast, interconnected organism, alive, a life, alive as one life form, alive, a life, alive.